This is a video on how to reset your oil service light on a 2000 BMW M5 with, I think it's the 16 pin connector under the hood. So first, what you want to do, ignition all the way on. As you can see, this one still has some life left in it in the oil service, but I want to do it a little sooner just to be safe, because it's been a while since I've changed the oil. Okay, so ignition on. And then with ignition on, you want to go to pin number 7. Let's see if we can find pin number 7. Let's see. Okay. Located pin number 7. So, take a wire, both open ends. Put one end into pin number 7. The other end, hold it to ground for about 14 seconds. Okay, that's about it. Let's go see. As you can see now, oil reset all the way green, and you're good to go.